That's no method.
I'm afraid to cough.
So how was it?
It was good.
It was good? How do you feel?
There's a lot of fear.
It looks like you missed a little bit.
A little bit.
Oh gosh,
Do you have to
have it dry clean now.
It's the first time I burped in a long time.
How did it make? Was that?
I never burped. And that was an explosive burp.
Yeah, I saw some beer. I saw some beer come
I
out.
knew it wasn't going to be throw up. It was just a burp.
I missed the whole like spewing scene.
It wasn't too much spewing.
Did you catch it on
It's not
camera,
anywhere.
Brian?
Huh?
That sounds like the one.
I'm afraid to cough though.
I know.
I can feel it like brewing inside me
Do
right
jumping
now.
jacks.
No.
Run around, run around. Like,
No, sir.
I saw them.
Half of that.
Was it warm?
No.
dare me! Don't dare me!
It's not gonna help. It's gonna make me cough.
Hey, why don't you try popping his back? That might help.
What are you doing? You okay, man?
Oh, I'm doing about 3 months. Watch, it kicks. Wait. It's not kicking.
I like your bad job.
How was the beer?
It's not that bad when it was warm. I couldn't taste it after the first 30 seconds.
And then you're...
The first 30 seconds, you had about a tenth of it
It
gone.
was more like there wasn't room for it to go more than
The first
anything.
30 seconds, I'm not sure if anything actually.
Yeah, I don't know. That's when you put your mouth up to the...
That was a lot of the people. It's like, if you think about the geometry of this picture, I don't know if you know, it's a lot bigger around the top and smaller around the bottom.
Calculus doesn't matter.
The calculus doesn't matter, clearly. It's hard to analyze the forces.
Although you didn't set the bar too high. That's kind of weak.
Hey, I'll take it. I finished. That's all I care about.
I thought you wanted a minute.
I wanted a minute. I couldn't even tell. Next thing I know, Varsity's Horns Off was playing.
Because that whole spewing thing took about 50 seconds.
That took a nice chunk out of my middle there. Yeah, it's right here.
So really, you didn't drink the whole time.
And I'll wear this tomorrow for the game, just to support.
I don't know.
Okay, we can turn it off now. I didn't need that information.